Today is 15 August, you all know. एक बार फिर हम याद करते हैं इसलिए हम लोग इकट्ठा हो रहे हैं। तो आज के ही दिन 1947 में हमारा देश आजाद हुआ था। उस आजादी के लिए हमें और भी यहाँ पे कुछ पूजा अर्चना की, लेकिन एक बार फिर हम उन महापुरुषों को भी याद करते हैं जिन्होंने इस आजादी के लिए बहुत सारे सेक्रीफाइस किए। स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वी टॉक अबाउट महात्मा गांधी जी, he started a movement in 1942 with भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन that started the drive. After that Subhash Chandra Bose ji, we remember him for his bravery because his persistence and efforts, whole British side got him that for. Then if we talk about sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, उन्होंने अपना सुप्रीम सेक्रीफाइस किया, अपनी जिंदगी दांव पे लगा दी, मात्र 23 साल की उम्र में फांसी पे चढ़ गए। इन्हीं सभी लोगों की वजह से आज की डेट में हम एक आजाद कंट्री में सांस ले रहे हैं। So let's give them a homage and remember them. Secondly, after this 78 years has been passed, 78 years have been passed, now India has progressed a lot. We are proud to be world's largest democracy. हमारा देश विश्व का सबसे बड़ा प्रजातंत्र देश है, उसके हमें we should be very proud of that. Secondly, our country in the world is fourth highest economy country. That also we should be proud of. We are supplying a lot of things in supply chain. I would also like to tell you that in these years there is a lot of efforts have been given in science and technology. We are developing very fast. Our development rate is 6% all over world. It is the highest, so we are doing pretty good. I would like to salute the tricolor because I also served in Indian Air Force. So there is a special connection. The tricolor with saffron, white and green that is waving there. We should be very proud of that. And let's take a pledge. आज हम अपने आप से एक कसम खाएं कि we would be learning from our past mistake. We'll be working hard to strengthen.
If you have little interest, basic physics is driven by concepts. It's अगर आप कोशिश करोगे कि you just learn physics, it will be very difficult. थोड़ा difficult होगा. कॉन्सेप्ट समझने की कोशिश करोगे तो फिर आपके लिए जैसे एक बार कॉन्सेप्ट समझ गए सारे 10-15 जितना भी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं आप इजीली कर लो. You can say apply to numericals. Numericals will be having some formulas, some concept plus formulas. If you get them well, take some guidance. I say guidance is available right now. It is the basics for you. Earlier in our days, there was no internet. हमें तो डिपेंड रहना पड़ता था, जो भी नॉर्मल टीचर्स हैं उनके पास में जाके पूछना पड़ता था.